Hello guys, welcome to castlindia.in and we are back once again. And we are back this time with the BMW X1. Now for starters, there are quite a number of subtle tweaks made in a bid to bring this class, closer to its superior siblings. That include the X5, X6 or even possibly the X7. Now there are some new and rather fascinating updates on the inside. And hey, we are here, so we will take a closer look at what makes this a top drive. We start with the bumper. The bumper at the front is aggressively designed. The fog lamps, as you can see, are replaced by the slimmer lamps. Well, I'm sure you have already noticed it. But the single biggest change here is the grille. It is a single piece and is far more angular. Well, it might remind you of the X6. Now we stroll towards the back, and here too, the bumper is reworked and the LED tail lamps are also revised. And well, that pretty much sums up the changes. I'm sure you must be thinking these changes are quite subtle. Boy, wait till we head inside. The inside remains unchanged as far as layout is concerned, but it has got new elements and additional features as part of the mid-light refresh. And hey, the X1 still gets manual clocks with clear fonts, white backlighting, and a little digital screen for the eco meter. There is a new gear lever and black inserts on the center console. Where it has managed to score really high marks is that the X1 gives great cabin space, both at the front and at the rear. As you can see here, the seats have been set low so that you have a large amount of headroom. And this is combined with the large glass area as well as dual sunroof that makes for a roomy affair within. Who doesn't like a lot of space when you're zipping across the road? If you do, the X1 is just the perfect car for you. You want to know about the power, don't you? So yes, we have the answers here too. The BMW X1 is powered by a BS6 compliant 2.0-litre diesel engine that produces 188 bhp at 400 Nm. The former is well suited for city conditions and you can quickly upshift to give you maximum efficiency. Don't have to worry about fuel consumption here, as the mileage stands at a pretty 19.62 kilometers per litre. Are you satisfied with the features? I'm sure you are very close to being satisfied. At the time of this review, the BMW X1 starts at Rs 35.9 lakhs, average ex-showroom price, and tops out at Rs 42.9, that too an average ex-showroom price. Should you get it? Oh yes, you should definitely get your hands around this piece of beauty for this price and for this mileage and for such amazing features both inside and outside. This surely will gladden your hearts and you will rule the road once you take it across town. For more such extensive news, views, reviews, expert advice, and everything related to car sales and services, used cars, knowledge about cars, log on to carselleindia.in as we give you an extensive analysis of everything related to cars.